The engine's running good. I'm still working on getting the harness over there tucked up. I got heat shield on this harness. That's going to be attached to the firewall. The distributor cap, I need to put that back on the dual sync, and that's basically what I've been doing. The fan clutch, I'm going to have to replace that. It's too loose. So the computer is integrated. That's going to control the dash. That sends certain signals to the Terminator X for the fans and the transmission cooler. Transmission coolers, the hoses are ran, and that's all hooked together.